Hey guys, so today is Friday and market is closed. Right now it's 2 p.m. and market closed at around I think 2 p.m. here in California. So as you can see, I took two trades yesterday. I'm show you. So that was the first trade. That was gold. I lost less than 1%. And I took another trade, Euro AUD. It's currently floating, but market is closed right now, so I am up 0.5% here. Yeah, so what happened with gold is just like it's just messing around. I was in profit, it came back in drawdown, and after I was around break even and price hit my stop loss and spiked up to reach my first take profit, and I think it's around my second take profit because last time I saw it price was around my second take profit, but it's what it is. I risked 0.5%, yeah, I mean less than 1%, so that's it. Usually I risk 1% a trade, but I'm very happy when a trade hit my stop loss and I lose less than 1% because I was supposed to lose 1%, but if I lose less, it's better than nothing, you know, it's better than losing anything. So I'm gonna do a complete breakdown about it. I'm trying to show you the chart of gold. Maybe I will show you on my desk over there. So I'm gonna do a breakdown of the trades that I took this week. So guys, I'm going to show you all the trades that I took this week. So this was the first trade and my first trade of 2022. I took it on January 6th, and as you can see, that was a good trade, and my first take profit was at this red line right here. So first take profit has been 8, and my second take profit was at this black line right here. So risk ratio was 1 to 2, and TP was 51 pips and stop loss was 20 pips. TP 1.8 and I got stop at break even right here, and after price went up but it didn't reach the take profit. So that was the first trade. And the second trade that I am in right now that I showed you that I'm floating 0.5% is this trade right here. I took it yesterday. I believe I took it on the 1 hour time frame perspective. Yeah, here on the 1 hour time frame perspective, and as you can see here, let me show you what I saw to this trade. Okay, let me go forward to show you the trend and everything. So for me here, as you can see, we had a downtrend right here and price started to make higher lows and higher highs, and we have a slightly uptrend right here and a downtrend again, and price came at this area right here, started to range a little bit here like that, and came down up here, and I saw price going up with this rally right here. I saw this rally and I was like, okay, there is a lot of volume in the market, I see a lot of momentum right here, so what am I doing? I wait for a pullback. So I was expecting a pullback right here because we have a breakout of structure right here above this resistance area. So I was expecting price to come retest this area like that and go the other way, but price didn't do it, and it's fine. So what I did is I went on the 1 hour time frame, and I saw that we had a retracement right here, and let me show you what I can see through this retracement. I see, oh, let me do it. I see a double bottom, you see, something like that. So I was expecting price to go higher with the same momentum right here to continue to go higher. So let me show you really quick what I mean by that. I use this arrow like that. Momentum started from here to up here, so after this double bottom I expect price to continue to go bullish on Euro AUD, maybe next week when the market is going to open. So my TP is right here. My TP is 144 pips and my stop loss is 56 pips. So I wanted to place my stop loss below this low right here, but this is just a minor low compared to this one, so I placed my stop loss right here. So what I do every time that I have to take it, I take a trade based on the stop loss. So if I have a safe area for the stop loss, I take the trade. If I don't have a safe area, I don't take the trade, because I believe that when every trader takes a trade, it doesn't have to be based on the profit that you can make. It doesn't have to be based on the reward, on the take profit, on the number of pips or stuff like that. Just look at your stop loss. If the stop loss is not well placed, if it's not in a safe area, I don't believe it's a good trade for me to take. So my first take profit is right here. So as you can see, I was close to my first take profit and price came down, but right now market's closed and I'm up 0.5%. so let's see, I think I was up 1% here because that's 56 pips. And if I take this two right here from, no, let me do this one. So from here to here it would be, yeah, that would have been 1% in profit. So I was 1% in profit and price just did a pullback, but right now market's closed. So that's it. Now let's talk about gold. Yeah, I also took 2 trades on gold. Same, that was my first trade right here. I only trade gold now on the 5-minute time frame because I noticed that it's better for me to trade gold on the lower time frame, because every time I try to trade gold on the 30 minutes or 1 hour, an hour, it doesn't work well with the time that I trade. So I only try to scalp gold a little bit. So as you can see, gold here, we had a downturn right here. Let me put the 1 hour, you can see better. Okay, you can see here we have this zone of demand right here, zone of supply right here, here. So from here to here, I was expecting price to do the same thing, but to come retest this zone right here. So I was on the 5-minute time frame, and as you can see here, from this low right here, this is the zone of the demand right here. So we had like a range right here, and I saw price breaking above this structure, retest here, did like kinda a double bottom, and price came here again under here and going back up. So I was like, okay, we have support right here, price respected the key level right here, is okay. So I see this price right here, okay, and I see price going back up. Okay, from my experience, this kind of stuff look like just like stop earning. Let me show you. Sometimes you can have a support zone right here, price can do like that, you see, and price can come here, take all the stop loss from the people that put under this low here and came back up. So that's what I was expecting. That was my perception on this trade, and as you can see, I was in profit. My first take profit was right here at this level, you see, but as you can see, price was in profit for like 15 minutes I think, and back and go down, and after price went up around my break-even area here and hit me out. And as you can see, that's what I was talking about, price again went up here, so hit my first take profit here right here, back again here at my entry, and price was just messy, and that's when NFP happened. That was the trade that I took.